how to create buyer persona in HubSpot. So first go to HubSpot, and then you can just click on the gear icon here at the top. Next is scroll down and look for properties here under data management. And then you can just make sure that this select an object here is on contact properties. Okay, and then you can just click on here and then search for persona, this one, and then click on it. Next is you can just click on field type, and then you can just click on add another persona. Then just fill in all of the details here. You can also add your upload photo here, and then make sure that all the ones that has the asterisk, you make sure that they have an info there. So I'll just add test here since this is just a test. Then you can just click on save, and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.